Alright, in math now, we are starting to move into counting numbers that are bigger than 1 with a number line. And what I mean by that is, I kind of showed you last time about what a number line is it's normally got a couple numbers on it, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. But what we were doing was taking just this 0 to 1 and making it bigger and showing you the fractions. So this was 0 and this was 1. And let's say we're trying to find the fraction 1/4. That means that since the denominator is 4, that means each piece or section is going to be 1/4. It's going to be a fourth the size. So that means we have to cut this into 4 pieces, and the numerator tells us which piece we're finding, and this is the first piece. So this is 1/4, and this would be 2/4, and 3/4, and one more fourth makes 4/4. Whoops, I'll do it here, which equals 1. But like I said, the one we were looking for is 1/4. So this means how big each piece is, or each section is, the denominator, and this means how many pieces we're trying to find, or which piece. So when we're doing numbers bigger than 1, we have a number line here. And we don't know how big the number line is until we see our fraction. So let's say our fraction is 5/2. So each piece is going to be a half, and I'm looking for the 5th piece. And this means that we're going to have all the way to number 3. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be 2, this is going to be 3, and we'll just label this 4. So instead of, like we did before, taking 0 to 1 and making it larger like we did down here, we are actually using the entire number line to find this fraction. So every single one of these is a whole. This is 1. That's one whole. This is another whole. This is from 0 to 2, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, 4 wholes. Each one of those wholes is split in halves. So each whole is split in half. So split in half, split in half, split in half, split in half. So now this 1 is cut in half. 1, 2 halves. This whole, 1, 2 halves. This whole, 1, 2 halves. And which section, so each one of these, 1, 2, 3, is a section. 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, 4 sections, 5 sections. So we're looking for the 5th piece, or the 5th section. So we count it off. We start at 0, 1, so this would be 1/2. And then we go to the next one. This is 1, 2, so that would be 2 halves. 3 halves. This would be 4 halves. And the next one would be 5 halves. So each section is a half, and we're looking for the 5th one. And that right there is the 5th one. We could just count it off instead of labeling it and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5/2. So this section right here is 5 halves, which means we ran, our whole number is a 2, and this is half of the next mile, or of the next distance. So we had 2 wholes, as you can see here, and we went a whole nother half. So 2 1/2. I'll do one more. So again, we have the number line, and let's say we have a fraction of 7/3. So we're going to do our numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5 wholes instead of 4. We can start this one with 0. So 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 hole, 4 hole, 5 hole. each one of those holes is cut into thirds. So each hole is going to have 3 sections to it. So it's going to look like that. So this hole has 1, 2, 3 sections to it. Same thing for the other holes. Each hole has 3 sections. And we're looking for the 7th section. So we can just count off the sections. So if we just count off the sections, we start here and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That right there is 7 thirds. And if we want to count them off, we can. This would be 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, and so forth until we get to 7. And now, what is that fraction? It is, we go all the way to the whole number, which is 2. So 2 is our whole number. And how many more do we go? We go 1 out of the 3 sections, because there's 3 sections. So I went 1 out of the 3 sections. So 7 thirds is actually 2 and 1/3 on a number line. So that's how you find fractions that are bigger than 1 on a number line.